Like a Hellcat.
Oh, what a delivery.
Seem to have come back to my look at where it is starting and look where it has come. It's hit the middle and
Oh, well, it's not a great leave, that. That's hit about middle and off stump.
The Warriors having a bit of a chuckle about the misjudgment here, just angling in. It's middle and leg too, so it was one of those ones you sort of...
Pate starts his last over to Grant Lambert. Not the best leave I've ever seen. He's actually given himself that much room, he nearly fell over backwards. I was just about to say, he hasn't been dismissed for the year.
Well, we saw Graham Lambert throw his bat when he was trying to run. He may as well not have had one there. I'm not sure what. He was just giving himself too much room. And probably not the best leave I've ever seen. Anyway, Sean Tate gets another wicket, his fourth wicket. And Grant Lambert's got to go.
Cork to Ijaz.
Oh! What a delivery that is! Pakistan 12 for 2 now. Dominic Cork has struck in no uncertain terms.
Well, that's quite extraordinary. He just has gone right the way across and almost fallen over. Maybe his studs got caught, but it's not the best time because the ball was homing in on middle stump as Ijaz was hopelessly out of position. Dominic Cork claims the wicket. Middle stump, cartwheels and Ijaz.
That's the breakthrough. Full and straight. Batsman didn't see it. Did not pick it.
Well, the poor chap has never seen this, Neil Mackenzie. Opening batsman, such a terrific player. Comical dismissal. Well, they've seen the funny side, the pair of them. Mackenzie almost jumping out of the way. Solid right on the boot. Doesn't see it. Not.
Got him. Super from Wagner. Was expecting the short one. Got into a position to let it go through. Off the pad onto the start. Matthews and all sorts of pressure in the tangle. He was expecting a short one. Look at that, both big timers. Off increase. Brilliant from Wagner. Completely misjudged. That's the wicket we were talking about. Home will be delighted. Wagner's delighted.
That's the weirdest dismissal I think I've seen in cricket in a long, long time. A mental block from Michael Clark has presented James Franklin with an unlocked.
Your skills down.
Oh dear, what was that? That was the most amazing leave I've seen. Michael Clark just smiles. Look at the amount of room he gives himself. Too far. And in the end, he couldn't reach it. He didn't want to reach it. I think he may just throw his bat at the ball or something, but...
Couple of balls back. Oh, that's a total misjudgment there by Ian Bowl. Ball's just slid back off from a good area, nice and tight on off stump, and Ian Bell's misjudged that badly.
Dreadful misjudgment. He's saying it's going to turn. It's so bad.
And bowled him! How about that? Absolutely brilliant from Shane Warne. Magnificent piece of bowling from Warne. He's made a few batsmen look a bit foolish over the years, and there's no disgrace in Andrew Strauss looking a bit...